moment for us. And I would like to welcome the Minister of Finance, Dr. Shamshad Akhtar, and the Finance Secretary, Vasal Saab, Madam Sarah, the Special Secretary, Commerce, Naeem Iqbal Saab, our Chairman, and the additional secretaries present over here, and Zafar Saab, who is online, the Governor, who is online, and our valuable exporters attending this virtually.
Thanks to Irfan Saab for steering this to this level. And thanks for everybody to be assembling out here. I'd like to, of course, recognize my colleague here, Finance Secretary, जिन्होंने इसको शुरू से steer किया है, और also the Governor of the Central Bank, who is the regulator but has also played an instrumental role. Chairperson Saab, as well as our Secretary from Commerce, who will be also a very important partner in development of this. I'd like to compliment you also, Irfan Saab, for keeping this event very cost-effective and modest. That was my request to him, and I think we, through the virtual presence of people, it's also contributed to cost-effectiveness. So why are we here? Of course, to launch finally the Export-Import Bank of Pakistan. EXIM's operationalization is a proud moment and a major milestone for us today. It will augment the banking and trade finance landscape, as we know.
Established in 2016, but it took us a while, to finally have it operationalized. I'm especially grateful to Governor State Bank and Ministry of Commerce, because we had their support and cooperation all along, and especially this push by Ministry of Commerce to have it operationalized over the last 4 or 5 months. That has been really instrumental and in driving us forward. So we all know the products that they are going to launch, and more importantly, I want to share it with the exporters over here, that just yesterday, Economic Coordination Committee of the Cabinet has approved also the export finance scheme, which is a part of our plan to have it phased out from the State Bank and to be taken over by the EXIM Bank over a period of time. And it also contains a certain export subsidy for the exporters, a short-term scheme. So with the insurance products, which the EXIM Bank is going to launch along with the export finance scheme, I think it's a great beginning.
Partnering with the EXIM Bank, and also the support and guidance provided by the Ministry of Finance and Accounts and our other stakeholders. So from my side and my team side, congratulations to all.
And he has been able to overcome those with the support of the State Bank of Pakistan and the Q Block and Ministry of Finance. Secretary Finance भी यहाँ मौजूद है, Secretary Commerce हैं. मुझे मैं आपका और गवर्नर साहब का खास तौर से कि आप लोगों की वजह से आज ये ऑपरेशनलाइज हो गया, हमारी भी बहुत बड़ी सपोर्ट मिल गई है.
इरफान साहब, I'd like to congratulate you. ये बड़ा माइलस्टोन है पाकिस्तान में, क्योंकि previously exporters को जाके
appreciation finally to all of them, and also to other EXIM clients that will join us later, and most of all to EXIM management and all its staff for undertaking the spade work for the operationalization of EXIM. And I wish everyone success in their endeavors to lift our exports game.
So this is the first step towards operationalizing. Thank you.
This is the first step that we take, and inshallah we will do enough.
This is the first bank master policy. So this is what we will inshallah help protect their balance sheet. So this is the first step of changing the way inshallah business will be done in Pakistan.
You should state that at the closing. First, the Finance Secretary.
Thank you.
many steps.
Thank you so much. They have moved from Australia over here and set up a very good shop. I think they started with about 20 people or so, so about 300 right now. But what they are doing is fantastic. Thank you. In the end, I would also want to say thank you to some of our international partners who are not over here, the Islamic Bank, the Asian Development Bank, the World Bank, and a number of regional players in Africa who are actually waiting for us to be able to get their support in helping the exporters, go further into to the world, not only in the regions that we are operating. So we are creating that framework, inshallah, and we will be slowly but surely disseminating that to the exporters community. And thank you once again, and really appreciate everyone's presence.